So the chapter 20, part 3rd, briefs. So log home. So log home is made of log wood. Then A-frame is style. You know, some houses you see A-frame.
Yeah.
Then different material homes can be built with. Sometimes also they ask a question. What kind of material they use? Find which one is they don't use. Like this.
Brick, stone, concrete.
Brick, stone, concrete block. Some are made of post beam and plank. Western
Platform wood.
Western platform wood frame means is a pictorial drawing. Write on the word pictorial. Pictorial. Pictorial drawing. Basically, they have made a picture which tells you everything. You know, this is the roof. This is the the complete. You see on the right side, right?
Yeah.
It says ridge beam, planking, beams, plate, all those things. Okay, then we go to component of a building. So it has heating, plumbing and electrical, right?
Yeah. Service system.
So superstructure, frame, floors, right?
Roof.
So what is superstructure? Framing and flooring, right? And roofing. And then joist. So joist, you see the joist? You see the arrow, right?
Yeah.
Horizontal frame used to support floors.
Yeah.
That's a joist. Then stud. You know stud?
Yeah, wall stud no like.
Structural member that support the roof deck. This one. Basically, in the exam, mostly they ask you joist.
Yeah, joist.
What is joist? It's a horizontal, in this way, right?
Yeah.
Frame, right? That supports the roof deck, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then building envelope system, siding, right? Because when you're gonna fill the form, you have to mention there what kind of roof is.
Yeah.
Is it wood, aluminium, stucco, brick, right?
Tile कितना किया?
Windows, single or double glazed, right? Non-thermal or thermal,
Yeah.
right? Then doors, exterior, interior,
Yeah.
and then insulation,
Glass fiber pattern. Yeah.
glass fiber or pink insulation.
Pattern.
Then blown glass fiber, chopped up and blown in through a hose,
Oh yeah.
right?
Spray ही करके बनाया.
So cellulose fiber, shredded, recycled, new,
Print.
polycycled insulation. So high density, rigid sheet material, used mainly for wall and floor surfaces. Rigid glass fiber, rigid sheet material. Then this mostly question comes in the exam. R2000 homes. This one is a 1980s Highland. Greatly increased insulation values and improved draft control. Draft control and ceiling measurement. Basically means you can write beside energy efficient. This will be used for energy efficient homes. Basically it saves heating bill.
Yeah.
You have to have a fan in this one. Because otherwise you'll die in summer. Fan lagi on the bath. So then foundation system, basement, standard height, finished or not, right?
Yeah.
Crawl space, heated or unheated space, not habitable. Crawl space cut on the 5. Slab. The foundation is slab, right?
Yep.
Concrete foundation used for first floor. Damp proofing. You know damp proofing? Material unused around the outside of foundation below grade to prevent the entry of water. Then they put a foundation, then they do damp proof.
Damp proofing. Yeah.
Black charcoal.
Yeah.
Beam, laminated, built up lumber or steel used to support vertical load.
Yeah.
Column, solid under a beam. Then header and linter mostly comes.
Linter, yeah.
Header means supporting structure over an interior opening.
Interior opening, yeah.
Interior means on that on top.
Yeah,
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So the inside is called
Header.
header. Outside is called lintel.
Yeah.
Okay. So truss normally comes in prefab roof or roof support structure. Right, before the roof they put up the structure, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Reactor structure member that supports the roof that we did before, right? Ceiling joist that supports the ceiling finish.
Yeah.
Then most question comes in the heating system.
Forced air. Yeah. So
Force air. Fuel enter the home directed to furnace for combustion. Fan creates air movement through the
home.
So which of the heating system heats the house very quickly? Forced air.
Forced air. Yeah. That's faster.
The person comes in now.
Yeah.
Fastest? Forced air. Right?
Healthy.
And then convective.
Yeah.
Fuel or heated liquid heat an element. Highlight heat an element. Usually a baseboard unit.
Yeah.
Which in turn heat the air. Sometimes comes question about convector. So first the water or the liquid heats the element.
Yeah.
Right? And then element heats the source
Air.
will travel through the air, right? And the air and heat objects.
Yeah.
So three-way. Convector is a three-way. Element, the unit, the air, right? Then radiant. Hot water or electric. It can be hot water or electric. Uses heat waves. Highlight the word heat waves.
Heat source to travel through the air and heat objects.
From a heat source to travel through the air. So highlight air. Further, air heats the object. So it's basically you can write a wave, highlight wave, then highlight air, and then highlight the object. Because this question is gonna come. And what about convector was? Convector was element, right? Right? It's element and air, practically. Right? So there was a two-step. This is a three-step.
Three-step. Yeah.
So three-step one is radiant.
Yeah.
Then ventilation. Prior to 1983, you opened windows or relied on air leaking through the wall of the house.
Yeah.
Our 2000 ventilation changed and is always a improvement. So now that we have those fans.
Yeah.
Plumbing. Provide fresh water supply, hot water heating, sewage disposal, storm water drainage.
Yeah.
Then fresh cold water supply. Obtained from either individual well, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's artesian spring or reservoir or creek, right?
Yeah.
Or regional water supply system. Similar, but the water is shared by all members of the system.
Yeah.
Piping. One question comes about piping.
Yeah.
Which are the problem you don't use? Copper you use, plastic you use, galvanized you use, but you don't use the steel.
Yeah, we don't use.
So steel give you 1 mark in the exam.
Yeah.
So steel you don't use. Electric service. One question comes about this one.
Yeah.
Water, amperage and voltage. Right? So make a rectangle. No rectangle, so it's
Triangle. Yeah.
Okay. So wattage means a measure of power of consumption. So how it consume. What actually consume? Consumption. Amperage is measure of the rate of current flow or quantity, highlight current rate of current flow or quantity of electricity per unit of a time. So basically rate of current flow. Flow. Voltage is a measure of electric potential, highlight potential or pressure. So in the exam, one of them will come and ask meaning or the other one. So make a triangle, put wattage on top, right?
Yeah.
And then voltage and amperage, right? So like this one.
Yep.
Wattage, amperage, voltage. If you have to find the wattage, what do? You voltage multiplying amperage.
Voltage multiply amperage. Yeah.
If you want to find voltage, then what is divided by amperage? You want to find the voltage, in amperage, what is divided by voltage?
Voltage. Yeah.
Okay?
Finish it.